In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Milanote board 2026, step by step. First, head to Milanote and open the board you want to share. Take a moment to make sure it's ready for others to see. Give it a clear title, tidy up any loose notes, and check that you're comfortable with everything on display. If you're collaborating with others, it's helpful to group related items and lock key elements so the layout stays consistent. Look to the top right of your board and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel, where you control exactly who can access your work and what they're allowed to do. Think of this as the command center for collaboration. You'll return here whenever you need to change or revoke access. If you're working with teammates or clients, inviting by email is usually the best route. Type the person's email address into the invite field. Before you send it, choose the right permission level. Select Can Edit if you want them to make changes, move items, or add content alongside you. Pick Can View when you just want them to review your board without altering anything. When you're ready, click Invite. Milanote will send them an email with access to the board using the permission you selected. This keeps sharing targeted and lets you track exactly who's inside. For quick sharing, you can also use a link. Turn on the Share Link option, and Milanote will generate a unique URL for your board. Copy the link, then set the permission for anyone with the link. Choose View only to keep your content protected, or switch to Edit Access if you need open collaboration. Share the link via chat, project tools, or wherever your team communicates. Remember, anyone with this link will have the level of access you set, so use Edit sparingly and switch back to View only when you're done collaborating. At any time, return to the Share settings to manage access. You can remove individuals, update their permissions from Can Edit to Can View, or vice versa, and turn the shared link off to immediately block new access. This is especially useful after a project wraps, or when you want to limit visibility to a smaller group. A quick best practice is to test your settings by opening the link in a private browser window to confirm what others will see. And that's it. Open your board, click Share, choose email invites or a shareable link, set the right permissions, and manage access as your project evolves. Happy collaborating!